Okay, Darren coming to you from Master Odor Removal Utah. We are in a dealership in Draper, and they got a Tesla Model Y in. We had about 11,000 miles on it, but was heavily smoked in. So this thing was a level 5 tobacco. 5's our worst. And so, a lot like painting a house, we can apply our chemicals that we use. We have to let everything kind of cure and dry. Once it does, then we can evaluate and see, okay, did we miss any spots? And I am sitting in the back of this thing, and it smells freaking amazing. So we got it taken care of. So now these guys can put this back on their lot, get it sold, and that's what we do. So if you've got anything that's not smelling right, whether it's curry, cooking smells, pet smells, tobacco, marijuana, you name it, we can take care of it. Vehicles, real estate, apartments, condos, you name it. So Tesla, check, got it, and on to the next client. Call us if you need us.